If I take a look at start walking script, I find this very unreadable, so let me press Ctrl T, go into AI progress, and create some functions there. AI progress. I'm going to create a few that might come in handy later on. I want to check if the end sphere is on a higher level, so is end sphere higher? And checking that is quite easy. We get the end sphere's position minus the start sphere's position, y position, and if that is bigger than 0, that means the end is higher, so return true. Otherwise, return false. We can also make the opposite case. Is end sphere lower? We'll just reverse it. Let me change the names. This sounds like a question. End sphere is higher, return true or false. End sphere is lower, return true or false. We also need end sphere is straight, meaning the start sphere and the end sphere are on the same level, the same y level. We cannot directly compare float values, so again we'll get the difference between the end sphere and the start sphere, only this time we're going to get the absolute value of the difference, and if that is bigger than some small number, that means they're on different y positions. If they're less than, if the difference is less than 0.01, which means the difference is close to 0, we'll consider them to be on the same height, the same y position. And if the difference is really small, it could be bigger or smaller than 0. So for higher and lower, we first want to check if the end sphere is straight, meaning the difference is close to 0. In that case, we return false for higher, and we do the same for lower. So now I'll go back to start walking, and instead of doing all this, we'll just use a function, AI progress. End sphere is higher, meaning we should jump. Same here, we should fall if the end sphere is lower. And in both of those cases, we'll stop updating and just return and carry on in the next state. For going straight, first we'll decide if the distance is more than 3. In that case, turbo is true. If not, turbo is false. I'm going to rename this F12. We're getting the distance to the start sphere, so make that specific. Get distance to start sphere. Should have some errors. So fix those. I guess we only have 2. Okay. If I play, we haven't changed anything and the AI is just going straight. The only difference is that the AI is running now if the distance is far away. Let me drag in another AI and see what happens. We need to go back to the previous scenario where we had this non-moving character here and the moving AI here. I'll put them on the same height. And I'll turn off AI for the one in the center. And if I play, okay, it looks like carving is not on for the guy in the center. For now, I'll just come up with a quick and dirty solution. I'm going to go into character control. So here we're looking for the AI controller. And if the AI controller is null, we'll get the nav mesh obstacle and turn on carving. We only want to do this for the AI, not the player. So playable character type has to be none, meaning it's not playable. And this is only time when we turn on carving. I'll go back and play. Okay. None means that it's an AI, not a playable character, so we turn on carving. I'll click play again. Okay, so it looks like carving is working fine. So is the climb. Okay, walk is not done yet. I'll go into the start walking script again. And when we're going for the straight end sphere, let me add walk straight to start sphere. Make sure you save all the code. I'll go back and play. So here we have the AI going up and falling and going to the end sphere. Right now we don't have any code to stop the AI. We'll add that later. Right now I'm more concerned about why the AI didn't start running here. So I'm going to go into the fall platform script. And here we're going to do something similar. Character state, character control, AI progress, and we want to get the distance to the start sphere. And if that distance is more than 3, we'll turn on turbo. And if I play again, the AI should be running on this platform. Okay. We still have some issues, but I don't think I should be doing too many things in one video. So I'll end this video here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.